welcome, unwelcome, and next. These threefold indeed is the result that accrues hereafter from the actions of unrenounced, but there is none ever for those who have renounced, reject their results. In the branch of learning known by the name of Sankhya, which prescribe means for neutralizing all actions, the five factors, the seat of action and the agent, the organs of different kinds, the separate movements of divergent types, and the last is of course your destiny or deva. These five are the contributory causes of whatever actions, right or wrong, we perform with our body, mind, and speech. The knower, knowledge, and the object of knowledge. These three motivate any kind of actions. Overall, we need to cultivate detachment from outcomes and focus on the process. It would keep up always happy. Love yourself. Meditate and do like, subscribe, and share your own meditative experience.